Dear children, welcome you all to the EduSat teleteaching program. Today, we shall discuss the story, but before going to story, we must discover something, what lies in the story. That means, the ideas of the story and what the plots, what are the characters and other things. And let us see what are the important points you must know before going to the story. If you go through the details of the story and find out the important points, then it will be very easier for you to understand the story in a better way. At the same time, you will be able to answer all the comprehension questions easily. Now, let us see about the poet. First, we will go to know about the poet Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a famous Indian writer, a children's author and a top novelist. He was born on 19th May 1934. He was awarded Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for his writing Our Trees Still Grow in Dera. He was also awarded Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. He is still alive and lives in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Now, I told you what step you must find in the story. The story has got three parts or three scenes. In the first part, a tiger cub is found in the jungle. In the second part, you will find a tiger in the house. In the third part, a tiger in the zoo. So, each scene we have to understand the following basic points. In each scene, we have to understand the following basic points, so that our story will be easier for us to remember. Where the scene took place, where the scene took place, two place is here written, but took place. Its pre and post event, that means, before the story started and after the story is over. Then the purpose of the scene, or we can say the background of the story. Then who are the characters and what type of event took place in the story. Or in the last three, we have to sort out the problems or consequences, that it may have positive aspect or negative aspects. So, in this way, we will learn the story, so that the story will be easier for you. Now, children, I am showing you a video, just to watch it and guess the story from beginning to end. Now, this is the forest of Terai, jungle. Now, the tiger cub was found out by grandfather. The tiger cub was found out by grandfather. Then a team of people, the party consists of different people of Delhi, and grandfather was accompanied in the party because he knew better than other people. So, there were 7 tents in the camp. Each tents were provided to the servants. There are also good dinner. Dinner was served well there, rich dinners, and they enjoyed the dinner. So, there were hot water plates, finger glasses, and all the modern things were available in the dinner. Then there were 15 elephants. 15 elephants took part in the hunting party, and out of that 4 elephants have howdahs on their back. Howdahs means the seat arranged to sit on the elephants. Then, but the objective or purpose of the hunting expedition could not be fulfilled, because the hunting party did not find any tiger to kill. Then what happened? They only saw the peacocks and other things, and lastly what happened? Finally, they killed some of the jackals, but grandfather did not like the things. He wanted to walk, he wanted to have a walk. That means, he came out of the tent. Then fortunately what happened? He found a tiger cub from the intricated root of a banyan tree. Then he brought it to home and handed it over to grandmother. Now, you see, then the tiger cub was fed by a feeding bottle, milk was fed by the cook Mahmud. Mahmud was the cook and grandmother named the tiger as Timothy. Now, what happened? The milk proved rich for him. The tiger cub cannot digest it. Then he was given other things, raw mutton, cod liver oil, pigeons and other things. And what happened finally? The tiger cub got two friends to play with. One is Toto, the monkey. The monkey is very bold. He always pulled the tiger's tail, and when the tiger was just getting irritated, the monkey was just climbing over the curtain. And another dog was that. His name is called mongrel puppy. So, the tiger was afraid of the mongrel puppy, but by and by the tiger and a puppy became friends. Now, the tiger allowed the puppy to sit on his back. You see how both were very friend. Then, in the like way, the tiger grew up to a very big tiger cub. Now, in the meantime, what happened? The writer's grandfather's house, it is writer's grandfather's house. So, writer came to stay with his grandfather, and in the meantime he became the most favorite friend of the tiger. Now, you see, then and the tiger also liked to play with anybody else who came across him, and he pretended to kill him or bite him, but he was not actually doing that. Then the writer got the chance to bring the tiger on a walk, but when people saw a big tiger like retriever, a big dog size, they did not come closer to the tiger. So, the tiger also forcing to go away from the hands of the writer. Now, at the time of walking, what I mean to see, the people left the place in fear. Then came the house. Again, the favorite place of the tiger was a long sofa. He was just sleeping over there, long sofa. Now, the favorite thing he was doing, he was always curving his face, and sometime he is also sleeping on servants quarter on his bed, and sometimes like to go away. And one day the grandmother informed that time will come, the tiger will kill Mahmud and sit on his bed, because the tiger became less friendly. He did not like to behave friendly with even the writer. That is why it was a question of doubt. The grandfather thought that one day the tiger will show some villain work. That is why he wanted to, he decided to transfer Timothy to a zoo instead of keeping it in the house. Then the nearest zoo was Lucknow Zoo. The grandfather, what did the grandfather do? The grandfather now reserved a compartment. Then what happened? In the meantime, now you see, when the tiger is behaving rudely, unkindly, so the decision was taken by grandfather, let the time come. But now the grandfather carried the tiger in a compartment, in a train, by train. Now they came to the zoo. That grandfather reached the zoo, and the zoo authority will accept the tiger very gladly, because the tiger is a civilized and well fed beautiful tiger. Undoubtedly, the authority gladly received the tiger. Then what happened? Then we will see. Then after 6 months, 6 months passed like this. So, now grandfather had certain work to meet his relatives in Lucknow. Then he got a chance to came to tiger and meet him. So, grandfather came to the zoo and went straight to the cage of the tiger, where he had left the tiger. Now, the tiger also came to grandfather, both became friends. Grandfather liked to tap his head's forehead and patted its head and pulled its ears, as if very closely they were just playing. The other audience or spectators or people were watching the reunion of the master and the tiger. At the same time, very affectionately the tiger went on licking the grandfather's hand. At the meantime, what happened? You see, a leopard came and terrified the tiger. So, grandfather was reluctant. He did not like such type of disturbances from the leopard. He wanted to inform the matter to the keeper. Now, a keeper came and asked why grandfather was playing with the tiger. Now, grandfather told him about the taking up tiger to another cage, but the keeper was not ready to listen grandfather's advice. So, grandfather liked to meet the zoo authority, but what happened? The zoo authority was absent that day. So, grandfather came back from zoo. You see, now the zoo authority is not in his room. So, grandfather had to come back, because he could not say the zoo authority to transfer Timothy. So, he again came back to Timothy before leaving the zoo. So, in the meantime, what happened is again he started patting and stroking the tiger. The second keeper came and warned grandfather why he was just playing with the tiger, because the tiger was a very angry tiger. The grandfather inquired whether he was not there when he left the tiger in the zoo. The skipper could recognize him and informed that the tiger was not his Timothy. The tiger was captured from a hill, and that tiger was a very dangerous tiger, and Timothy had died of pneumonia 2 months before, and it is a very shocking event for the grandfather. Grandfather heard it, but he was shocked. So, he wanted to leave the zoo. So, before leaving the zoo, what happened? You see, the grandfather had to leave the zoo happily or sadly. So, before leaving the zoo, he again went to say goodbye or good evening to the tiger. Now, you see how the tiger very affectionately licking the hand of the grandfather. For the last time, grandfather went there and bade the tiger goodbye and left the zoo. This is the story. Now, we will come to point by point discussion, and we will come to then comprehension stage and discuss the question answer. That is all about the story. You might have guessed the beautiful story. Now, children, then we will see scene wise, we will discover what are the things we must discover in each scene, what are the things and what type of questions will come in each scene. So, I told you prior to discussion that you have to find out certain points in the story, that if you ask yourself some WH questions, what the story is about, where it took place, who are the characters, why did such thing happen. So, if you ask several WH questions to yourself, then it will be easy for you to know the story in details, and the entire topic will be kept in your memory. So, let us go point by point. Now, you come to first scene. So, I told you these are the points and important points you must know before discovering the questions answer in the story. Now, you see plot of the story, that means where the story took place, where the party went, or where did the expedition took place. Now, the hunting expedition took place in the Terai jungle near Dera, Terai jungle near Dera. So, for the purpose they went for hunting tigers. So, who are there? Who are the characters in that first scene? The writer's grandfather is the central character. writer grandfather was the central character of the story or main character. Then other important people are the secondary characters. The important persons of Delhi were also taken to guide the beaters, that because grandfather had a lot of knowledge about the area, as well as some important persons were taken in the party to guide the beaters. Then the shikaris, the hunters were also taken, servants were also taken. Then there were 15 trained elephants, 4 elephants with howdahs, the seats on the elephants and other things. During that period, very good dinner were served like this. The first in covers all the things. Thank you. Dear children, let us know the meaning of some new words. Accompany means go with, sumptuous, impressing or big or large, intricate, having lot of complex roots. You might have seen the banyan tree, number of roots are there. So, now I am going to give you the summary of the first scene, then we will do some comprehension work. Now, in a very brief manner, I am presenting the summary before you. The tiger cub was discovered by writer's grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle near Dera. Remember, because I will put some questions and you will answer me. He was not a shikari, that means who was not a shikari? Grandfather was not a shikari, but he was taken in the party because he knew lot of things about the area of the jungle. Then who are the important people other than grandfather? Some important people of Delhi were also taken in the party, and the party also consisted of 7 big tents. Each servants was provided with one tent, and there was a very big dining table, and modern dinner was served there. So, they used hot water plates, finger glasses and other things, other modern amenities like used during the period of Viceroy. Viceroy, you know, that we say Badlat during British rule. The British rule, during British rule, officers were appointed to administer or rule over different states. So, Viceroy is such a officer, that is the head of the state, and during his period such type of dinners were served with different items, different courses. Different courses means different items. So, what modern things we found in the dinner? That is hot water plates, finger glass and 5 to 6 courses items were served. Then what happened? The main objective. So, all the things were good and well, and there were also 15 elephants. Well trained elephants were taken to help in the hunting expedition. But what happened? Out of these 15 elephants, only 4 elephants had howdahs on their back. What do you mean by howdahs? Howdahs are the seat arranged for the shikari to sit on the elephant at the time of hunting. They sit comfortably and go for hunting, that is howdah. Then in spite of all the things, the party did not find any tiger except some wild boar and peacock, but due to their boredom they liked to kill some of the jackals. But grandfather was not satisfied with this. So, he came to a strolling. So, he came out from the tent to have a walk. In the meantime, what happened, you know? Grandfather was able to discover a small tiger cub of 18 inches from the intricate roots of a banyan tree. So, he is very happy because it was habit of the grandfather to bring number of pets where he found during his journey. So, grandpa did not like to leave the chance, he bagged the tiger. Bagged means brought the tiger home. Now, this is the thing, most important things or summary of the first scene, and now grandfather handed over the tiger cub to grandmother, and grandmother very affectionately named it as Timothy. This is the beginning of the second scene. Now, we are not going to the second scene. We will discuss some of the WH questions that you will be able to answer, because I have already discussed the story again and again, and we also discussed the important words and its meaning. Now, I like to put you before some questions, and you will answer me, and I am writing the questions on the board. Okay, children. Now, we will discuss some of the questions I am writing, and we will discuss the answers. Then we will come to second scene. So, who was Timothy? Comprehension question, let us discuss. Who was Timothy? Who was Timothy? It is very simple. Timothy was the tiger cub. You can write answer. Timothy was the tiger cub. Right? Only you have to answer in one or two sentences. That's all. Why did grandfather accompany the party? Why did grandfather accompany the party? So, it is also very simple, because you have already understood. Why did grandfather accompany the party? Right? Because he knew a lot of things about the forest. Answer. He knew a lot of things about the jungle. Very simple. You see how it is easy to answer the questions after the story reading. The writer says that the camp was very splendid. How and why? Because in the camp, number 3, the writer says, this is question, answer. The writer says that the camp was very splendid. Splendid. Why? Why or how? Question may come. Why or how it may be. Why we call the camp as splendid camp? This is the answer. Because there were 7 large tents and a dining hall. Dinner was very rich, served with hot water plates and finger glasses, etc. So, this is the answer. Who discovered Timothy and when? who discovered Timothy and when. That means, grandfather discovered Timothy, who question, who discovered and when. Very simple. Grandfather discovered Timothy when he was walking. Answer: grandfather while walking over there. So, this is the important questions we find in the first part of the story or first of the scene. Now, children, you again go back to the text and try to understand the story in a better way and try to find as much as you can WH questions, so that the story will be a very good memory for you. Okay, children, now you knew all about the first scene, the tiger in the jungle. Now come to know about the second scene. The second scene is the tiger in the house. The tiger in the house. You see, children, the plot is the house of grandfather's house. That you can see. Then what is the purpose of keeping the pet? To keep it as pet. Then who are the characters there? Writer's grandmother, who named the tiger cub as Timothy, Mahmud the cook, the caretaker of the tiger, and he was given the charge or duty to feed the tiger. Then there were also two other pets. One was Toto the monkey, the second was a mongrel puppy. So, this is the thing we find in the second scene of the story. Now, let us see. Now, we will discuss the story. The grandfather brought home the tiger cub. The grandmother named it as Timothy. The cook was given the charge of the tiger cub. At first, the tiger cub was fed with milk with a feeding bottle. So, what happened to the tiger? Very affectionately, all took care of the tiger and tried to bring it up. But what happened? The milk cannot be digested. That means, the milk proved to be very heavy or rich for the tiger cub to digest. So, they had to change the diet. What they did? They provided the tiger cub with raw mutton, cod liver oil, followed by a tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. So, now the tiger cub is very much happy with the new food. He grew to a very beautiful tiger. Then what happened? In the meantime, the writer came to grandfather's house. What happened? During this period, the tiger cub also found two friends. One is Toto and one is mongrel puppy. Who is Toto? Toto was the monkey. He was always playing with the tiger. What type of game he was playing? He was just pulling the tail of the tiger, and when the tiger was getting irritated, the monkey was just climbing over the curtains. So, time and again the Toto was doing such type of mischiefs, but when the mongrel puppy was coming towards the tiger was afraid of him and he was just going back. By and by, what happened? The puppy and the tiger both became very good friends. Now, it is so happened that the tiger allowed the monkey to sit on his back. Now, their friendship became deeper and deeper. In this way, the tiger grew and grew up to a size of a big retriever. Retriever is big size dog. In the meantime, now the tiger found a human friend, the writer. The writer came to grandfather's house. Now, the tiger got a very favorite friend. Wherever the writer went on a walk, he was taking the tiger to have a walk. So, when he was taking the tiger to have a walk, the people are maintaining distance, keeping long distance, because they are terrified. Sometimes the attitude of the tiger was little bit different. He was not in a position to be tamed or docile. A certain change came over him. What happened? He became less friendly. He tried to go away secretly, and in the night he wanted to kill the hens and cocks in the poultry farm, or attack the small dogs, pet dogs while walking, and all the such type of things grew with him. Then and the sofa, a long sofa was there in the writer's grandfather's house, and it was the favorite place of tiger cub. So, he was just sleeping over the sofa like a dignified person, and in a comfortable position he was sitting as a member of the house. Whoever was coming across, he was just snarling at them, that means growling or making sound to threaten them, but this is the natural habit of the animals. So, this does not matter for the writers, but when one day what happened, the grandmother told that one day time would come when the family members would discover only tiger on Mahmud's bed, and Mahmud will not be no more, only his shoe could be seen there. So, this is a time to think of. Grandfather told in a prophetic manner that the tiger cub should be transferred to nearest zoo, otherwise it will be very difficult for grandfather to tame him, because the certain changes are coming to him. So, grandfather reserved a compartment, train compartment, and wanted to transfer the tiger cub to nearest zoo, Timothy. In the last scene or third scene, we will discuss that. Now, we will discuss about the second scene and its difficult words and comprehension question answers. Now, then we will go to third scene. Now, you see these are the difficult words or new words you may find in the topic. Now, you see stalk means follow quietly, crafty, one spelling mistake is there, crafty, crafty, cunning look or very cleverly looking at someone. Dart means run suddenly. Then reclining, leaning over for comfort, that means the tiger was always sitting in a very comfortable manner, reclining on the long sofa. Then villainous, extremely wicked, like villain. The villain always works some wicked things. The tiger started to do some work like villain. Then retriever, you know, a large dog, big sized dog. Then Pekingese, one kind of dog kept for pet. Then fringized, widely excited, that means the sound produced by the cocks and hens, fringized cry, that is all. So, these are the important word meanings. Now, come to the comprehension stage and summary stage. Now, children, I told you the meaning of the words, then we will come to the comprehension stage, the question answer. We will discuss some question answers on the blackboard. Now, come. So, we will discuss some question answer now. You come back to the text and follow me. When I am putting you a question, you follow and try to find out the answer. I am also giving you the answer. Okay. Now, come to the board. So, I have already showed you some points who are there in this part of the story. If question comes, who are there in the part, in this part of the story. Then very simple, you know the points. Grandmother was there, then the cook, then Toto and a mongrel puppy. Who are there? Are there in this part of the story. Okay, is the answer. Then come to second question. Who named the tiger cub and who brought it up? Who named the tiger cub? Very easy. The grandmother. Who named the tiger cub? Who and who brought it? And who brought it up? And who named the tiger cub? First, who named the tiger cub? Grandmother. Grandmother named it as Timothy. And who brought it? Mahmoud, the cook, brought him up. Okay. Now, we will come to third question. What was the diet of the tiger cub? What was the diet of the tiger? Milk, mutton, then cod liver oil, pigeon and rabbit. Like this, we will do other question answers. Now, you see children, there are two important questions left for you. What was Timothy's favorite amusement? What was Timothy's favorite place? And what kind of change came over him when he was 6 months old? And what did grandfather decide to do? This is the thing you will do later, and the points will tell you all the answers. Okay, okay children, let us come to third scene or last scene of the story. Now, we will see the plot. The tiger in the zoo. You see, now the tiger came to a zoo at Lucknow. Then the characters: writer's grandfather, the zoo authority or keepers, zoo superintendent, then other people are there, and how the zoo authority behaved, the activity. That means, now the grandfather brought Timothy to zoo. So, before coming to the text in detail, we must know the meaning of some difficult words. We will know some difficult words. Now, you see ticked. Ticked means pulled. The grandfather ticked the ears of the Timothy or a tiger. Then growl or snarl, the sound of the tiger. Should means drove him away, drove away. Testily, angrily in a irritated way, angrily in a irritated way. Relish, enjoyment, affectionately, scornful, angry, briskly, quickly. So, now come to the story. So, after 6 months, grandfather revisited the zoo. Now, he went straight to the cage of the Timothy, where he had left the tiger. He liked to play with Timothy by stroking and patting his forehead and ticking or pulling his ears. The first keeper came and warned grandfather. When the other people were watching the game of grandfather with the tiger. In the meantime, what happened? The grandfather observed that a leopard was coming frequently to the tiger, and the tiger, as a result, the tiger was being terrified and going back. So, tiger was not comfortable. The tiger was not feeling comfortable. So, grandfather informed the keeper to transfer Timothy to other cage, but the keeper had no power to do that. So, grandfather went to meet the zoo authority for informing about transferring of the tiger to another cage. So, what happened? He came to the office of the superintendent, but he saw that the superintendent was not there, he was absent. So, he went there and returned immediately. Then he came back to the tiger cub, because he wanted to leave the tiger before going to his house. He wanted to meet again. So, he came and again played with the tiger. The tiger also very affectionately licked his hands, started licking his hands. Now, in the meantime, what happened? Another keeper, the second keeper came and warned grandfather. He said that grandfather should not touch the tiger, because that tiger was a very ferocious tiger, dangerous tiger, and it was captured last month from the hillside. But grandfather did not believe that. Again, the second keeper told grandfather that the tiger was not his Timothy, not his tiger, because grandfather had a pleasant talk with the second keeper, because the second keeper was at the time present when grandfather had left the tiger. Understand? So, the second keeper could easily recognize grandfather and had a pleasant talk, but at the same time he informed grandfather that the tiger was not his tiger. Grandfather easily did not believe it easily, and he liked to have a talk with the keeper, but the keeper informed that no, the tiger had died 2 months before, because he was suffering from pneumonia. Now, this information was very shocking for grandfather. Grandfather did not like to stay in the zoo even for a minute. For the last time, to bid goodbye to the tiger, he went to his cage and said the tiger good evening or good night, then came back to leave the zoo in a very angry mood and very speedily. So, this is the story of the third scene. Now, come to discuss the comprehension question answer, or what you understood. Now, we will discuss the question answer one by one. When did grandfather visit the zoo and why? When did grandfather and why? When did grandfather visit the zoo? So, let us discuss when did grandfather visitor do. First part of the answer, grandfather visited the zoo after 6 months, right, and why, he wanted to meet Timothy. As he had to come to Lucknow. Okay. Then question 2. What did grandfather do at the cage where Timothy was kept? What did grandfather do at the cage where Timothy was kept? Grandfather, what did grandfather do? Grandfather, in a very simple language you can write, grandfather patted Timothy on his forehead and pulled its ears out of affection. Okay. Question 3. Question 3, see, what did grandfather do at the cage where Timothy was kept? How did the tiger behave towards grandfather? You know, tiger behaved very pleasantly, very affectionately and licked his hands. What did he suggest the keeper? Grandfather suggested the keeper to transfer Timothy to other cage. In the like manner, the rest 6 questions will be discussed. Was the tiger really Timothy? How do you know? What did the keeper say grandfather about the tiger? What made grandfather give a scornful look to the keeper? This question answer is very easy. You go back to the points and do the question answer. Then you can find it easy to do. Okay. Children, let us know the story and remember it in a easy way. Now, in the first part, we found a tiger cub in the jungle, or we said a tiger in the jungle. And in this part, we discovered the arrangements, the place, Terai jungle of Dera and 7 tents and shikaris and good dinner, then 15 elephants, 4 elephants were having howdas, but result became 0. No tiger was killed. So, as a consequence, what happened? After discovery of the cub, that means when grandfather discovered a tiger cub of 18 inches, he brought it home. He brought it home. Now, come to the second scene. What happened in the home? Now, grandmother named it Timothy, that is tiger in the house, and the cook Mahmud fed it with milk. Then after that, the cow was fed with tempting diet of raw mutton, cod liver oil, pigeon and rabbits. Then it grew in a very comfortable, suitable atmosphere and got two friends, Toto and a mongrel puppy. Now, three pets were there at grandfather's house. In the meantime, what happened? You know, writer's grandfather's house. In writer's grandfather's house, what happened? Now, writer came to live there. So, now what happened? The tiger got a new friend, human friend. His favorite friend was the writer. The tiger played with him and passed his time. And whenever the writer went on a walk, the tiger cub was going with him. And when people saw a big tiger, they were terrified. They kept distance. So, by and by, when the tiger grew up, something change came to him. So, he was freely allowed in the house to live like a member. He was sleeping on the sofa. He was playing with the friends, like his favorite friends, writer. So, what happened? A change came over him when he behaved some differently. His attitude changed and he became less wild. He was not in a control. At that moment, grandfather felt, also grandmother also felt that Timothy should be transferred to zoo. Then grandfather reserved a compartment. In the last scene you come, tiger in the zoo, and kept it in the zoo. That means, first you see tiger in the jungle, tiger in the house, tiger in the zoo, and in the zoo grandfather met him, and lastly finally came to know that Timothy was dead. That is the story. You remember it and go through the test again and again, and you will find the lesson very easy and very enjoyable. You just go on again and again and separately try to understand the story. Thank you and come prepared next class.